Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Revolut to an international bank account. So let's get started. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Tap Payments at the bottom of the screen. In the top right corner, tap the plus icon, then select Send International. Choose the country where the recipient's bank account is located. Revolut supports a wide range of countries. Just pick the one you need. Enter the amount you want to send and make sure the transfer method is set to bank account, then tap Continue. Next, enter the recipient's details. Choose whether it's an individual or business account and fill in the required information like account type, account number, and IBAN or bank code. The exact fields may vary depending on the country. Once you've entered everything, tap Add Recipient, confirm the amount, and hit Send. And that's it. You've just transferred money from Revolut to an international bank account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.